In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change financial year in Zoho Books. Changing the financial year in Zoho Books is a quick process, and it's important because it defines how your reports, comparisons, and tax periods are calculated. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and along the way, I'll share a few pointers so you know what to expect and how to avoid common mistakes. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account and landing on the home page, also known as the dashboard. Before moving on, make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. You can confirm this by looking at the organization name in the header. It's best to switch to the right one now so the setting you change applies to the correct books. From the dashboard, look toward the top or side navigation for the settings icon, typically represented by a gear. Click that to open your account settings. This area controls everything from invoices and taxes to organization details, so we'll focus only on what we need today. Inside settings, find the section labeled Organization. This is where your company's legal and regional preferences live, including address, tax information, and the financial year. Open the organization section to see its options. Next, click on Profile. The Profile page is the central place for your organization's identity and locale settings, and it's exactly where the fiscal year is stored. If you don't see Profile or can't open it, you may need admin access. In that case, your account owner or administrator can grant permissions or make the change on your behalf. Once you're on the organization profile page, you'll see a set of fields with your company details. Scroll down or look toward the Preferences area to locate the Fiscal Year field. This field determines the start and end of your reporting year, which feeds into profit and loss statements, balance sheets, budgeting periods, and year-over-year comparisons. Click the Fiscal Year dropdown to view the available options. Depending on your region, you may see common structures like January to December, April to March, or other country-specific year ranges. Choose the one that matches your compliance requirements or your internal reporting needs. If you're aligning with local regulations or an auditor's guidance, confirm which fiscal year applies to your business before you proceed. Select the financial year you want to switch to. A good tip here is to think about how the change will affect current reports and any comparisons you've already been using. Zoho Books will realign reporting periods based on the new fiscal year, but it won't change the actual dates on existing transactions. If you've locked periods or closed a prior year, some changes may be restricted. In that situation, coordinate the timing of this switch with your accounting team. After you've made your selection, click Save. Zoho Books will update your organization profile and apply the new fiscal year setting. You may see a brief confirmation message, and in the background, your reports and analytics will start reflecting the new reporting boundaries. If your dashboard widgets or report filters were set to a previous period, refresh or reopen them to view the updated ranges. If the Save button is grayed out or you receive a permissions message, double-check your role in the organization and whether any period lock or year-end process is in effect. Once those are addressed, come back to the Profile page, confirm the fiscal year selection, and save again. That's it. You've successfully changed the financial year in Zoho Books by going from the dashboard to settings, opening the organization section, selecting Profile, finding the fiscal year field, choosing the correct year range, and saving your changes. Take a moment to review a report like profit and loss or balance sheet to see the new period options reflected. And remember, if you operate in a regulated industry or specific jurisdiction, align this setting with your statutory requirements to keep your books clean and compliant. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your fiscal year with confidence.